Hey guys, this weekend you're watching MOP Fitness. So today in this video I will show you how to make a delicious saucy chicken. Okay, so I have to cook this chicken and then only I can eat. So I'm just very much hungry, so without wasting time, let's go and cook our chicken.
If you're seeing my face for the first time, so go ahead and press subscribe button and press bell button so that you don't miss a notification of my upcoming videos.
Using 200 grams of chicken breast, so I have sliced into small pieces so that it can cook very well. So put this chicken over here. Put some turmeric powder. So this is antioxidant, so it is, so some salt for taste. So here I'm just using pink salt. Use any type of salt. So here you can use some of the spices that you have at your home. So I just use some. Here I'm just using garam masala, a little bit of garam masala, and this is curry powder. I'm just using a little bit. You can also add chili powder, whatever spices you want you can add. Use a small amount of all the spices, because don't use a large amount of spices. Okay guys, so after that just mix this all the spices so that it covers all our chicken. Nicely mix it up. Size of onion, cut into slices. The easy way is to just cut both the sides, and you can easily remove this the upper layer of your onion. Small piece of ginger, so cut that also in small pieces. If you have a ginger garlic paste, you can use that also. And just use garlic. And just add a small drop of coconut oil. Add a small drop of oil, and till the onion comes into brown color, just cook this one. So let it cook for 20 minutes. So we will come after 20 minutes. Just close this one with a lid. Let's open this one. Okay. So we have cooked 90% of chicken. Okay guys, so I just tell you one trick guys. Just have some water, because we want some juicy chicken. So if we have some water, so we can get a juicy and a sausage chicken. Okay guys, so have some water left. Okay, so here what you should do is just make sure that flame is on high. Just stir it well. Just add the onion and ginger garlic that we have cooked a little bit. Now add the green chili sauce. Just add green chili sauce and this is tomato ketchup sauce. If you like this video, just give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so that every time I just put a new video you get a notification. Stay peace, hustler guys.